एमवी इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के बच्चों ने सीबीएसई द्वारा 13 जुलाई को घोषित 12वीं कक्षा के रिजल्ट में बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन किया है। एमवी इंटरनेशनल स्कूल की बेहतरीन शिक्षा प्रणाली के चलते हर बार की तरह इस बार फिर 100% रिजल्ट के लक्ष्य को हासिल किया गया है। इस वर्ष बोर्ड परीक्षा में हिस्सा लेने वाले स्कूल के 95 स्टूडेंट्स में से 16 स्टूडेंट्स ने 90% से ज्यादा अंक हासिल करके अपने स्कूल व अभिभावकों का नाम रोशन किया है।
Hello, my name is Pratham Thapa from MV International School and I have secured 95.2% in class 12 humanities. For that, I like to give credit to my parents, my sister, to respected principal sir, director sir, chairman sir, to all my teachers who have supported me from class nursery to class 12 and to all my friends. I am so glad that they never let me down and supported me throughout the year. Right now, I am preparing for CLAT 2020. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shiv Kumar from MV International School and I scored 94.6% in science stream, and the credit of my success goes to my parents, friends and my teachers, especially Mr. Nirmal sir, Mrs. Anita ma'am, who always keep me motivated towards my goal, and I am grateful for being part of MV International School since 2008. And my message to the junior is that please stay motivated and do hard work, as we all know hard work is the key to success. Thank you.
I am extremely fortunate to be enrolled in MB International School, where the teachers always guided me and motivated me to study harder. If it weren't for them, I wouldn't be able to score this much in my exams. The feeling is extremely exhilarating, as I never imagined when I was in class 10th, enrolling in class 11th, that I would be scoring this much. It is all due to my teachers and parents who supported me in all the hardships that I faced during my preparation for CBSE boards. And I feel extremely fortunate that my teachers are even now standing beside me and always will be with me in my future. Thank you.
Greetings to all. My name is Ritik Chiv and I scored an overall aggregate of 93.6% in my class 12 CBSE examinations in non-medical stream. Individually, I scored 95% marks in mathematics, 95% marks in physics, 95% marks in chemistry and 92% marks in English. I am very grateful to the faculty of MVIS for providing me support throughout the year, and especially the subject teachers. Shweta ma'am, Surbhi ma'am, Madhu ma'am, Anita ma'am, Sandeep sir and Nirmal sir. They helped me a lot during the whole year, and I am proud to be a part of MVI's family.
Hello everyone, my name is Ayman Shah. I have secured first rank in medical stream. I would like to thank my principal sir and teachers for their kind support and encouragement throughout my school life. I would also like to wish all my juniors the best of luck for their upcoming endeavors. Above all, I am thankful to my mother, without whom it wouldn't have been possible at all.
Yes, I am happy and satisfied with the performance of my son, and it has been possible only because of the kind support of the principal sir and all the teachers at MV International School. Now I think admitting him in the MV International has proven to be a great decision. Thank you all.
Hi, my name is Vinamdan Gupta. I am a student of MV International School. I have secured 93.2% in my class 12 board examinations. I owe my success to my teachers, mentors and my family. I would also like to thank the Almighty God for His blessings.
Yes, of course. Behind the success of my son, I would like to thank the management and staff of MV International School.
I scored 92.6% in my CBSE board exams 2020 and my stream was humanities. First of all, I am forever grateful to my parents for always being there for me and supporting me. Most importantly, I am grateful for my life and destiny for bringing me to MV International School. I always thank my principal sir, director sir, subject teachers for always being there for me and encouraging us from time to time. Lastly, I would say that MV International School was just like my second home where I build my future.
मेरा नाम कुशल शर्मा है। मैं MV इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में पढ़ता था और 12th में मेरे 92% आए हैं। स्कूल का बहुत ही योगदान है मेरे इतने नंबर आने पर। वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा टेस्ट वगैरह लेते थे, हार्ड वर्क कराया उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा, टीचर बहुत अच्छे थे, कोई भी डाउट्स होता था क्लियर कर देते थे। लकी।
Hello everyone, my name is Vineet Kundal and by the grace of Almighty I have recently scored 92% in my 12th CBSE examination. The reason for my success is the love and support of my parents and grandparents. I also am very grateful for the faculty and staff members of MV International School for all their support and cooperation towards me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Arma Sugans from MV International School. I have secured 91.6% in CBSE board examination in medical stream. I want to thank my parents who helped me a lot and motivated me in every aspect of my life. I also want to thank Principal Sir, Director Sir, Chairman Sir and the whole staff of MV International School who helped me throughout the year and made me capable of achieving this much. Especially I want to thank my subject teachers, Mr. Nirmal Sir, Mrs. Shweta Ma'am, Mrs. Anita Ma'am, Mrs. Sakshi Ma'am, Mr. Sandeep Sir and Mrs. Subi Ma'am for their guidance and for their support towards me. I have spent 13 years in MV International School since 2007 and this was my last year in this school. This school has given me many opportunities, whether it is in music, games, sports or in academics. And at last, I just want to thank to everyone.
Hi everyone, my name is Nakul Mahajan. I am from class 12 non-medical stream. I scored 95% in PCM and 91.2% overall. I owe my success to my parents and my teachers of MV International School. They were very supportive and they always cleared my doubts. They always motivated me and guided me throughout the year. Now the new batch has arrived and I wish them all the best for their success. Just one piece of advice, there is no shortcut to success. Only consistent hard work will help you reach your desired destination. Thank you.
I'm thankful to my school MV International and the wonderful teachers there who have always guided me well and helped me clear my doubts. The healthy competitive environment there has helped me to give my best all the time. I'm also thankful to my parents who have always encouraged me and I'm grateful to the Lord Almighty for His blessings.
Thank you teachers.
Hello everyone, my name is Swastika Jandyal and I have scored 90.2% in class 12th board exam in medical stream. The credit for all this goes to my parents and my school teacher who guided me and helped me to achieve this.
JK Update is fastest growing media house in J&K with 1.5 crore monthly views. JK Update is a best platform for advertise your brands and services. If you want to advertise your products and services, please contact us on this number. Mr. Sushil Sharma 705-109-1804. JK Update. अपडेट रहें हमारे साथ।